Hey, Brody.
Shelley still has a slight air of nervousness to her, but the edge in her voice is gone.
So, I was doing a lot of thinking and some reading up online. I thought always being positive would help the negativity and fear I felt. But I guess that's what folks call toxic positivity. And that's bad. I was just so scared of falling down and letting everybody down. I was pushing people away without even meaning to. Well, thanks, but it was the wrong way to go. I'm still scared of falling down, honestly. I don't really know what to do with all that fear. Yeah, maybe that's okay. But look, I gotta thank you. Most everybody runs away from me before too long. You stuck around, and you were supportive. I don't know if I'd have ever been able to relax long enough to rethink my entire deal without you around. In a way, you were my shelf. So thanks. There's, one more thing. I haven't been close to anybody in a long time, and you've been on my mind so much. I thought it was all the anxiety at first. But last night, instead of staying up because I was scared you were gonna hate me, I kept thinking, I want to see that smile again. Do you think maybe we could be more than friends? You would? Oh my god! I've never done this before. I don't know what happens next. I'm scared, but it feels different this time. I feel fluttery. It's nice.
Shelley reaches out for your hand. Her grip is strong, but there's a sweet softness in her touch.
I feel like with you by my side, I can take on anything. It's easy not to worry about the bad things when I see you smile like that. The future feels bright. I'm gonna lift you higher!
If it isn't my favorite scene partner. Today is Wedding Wednesday. Our play is a romance called Marquis, More Kiss. Care to join me? Heck yeah, friend. Hey, just so you know, I think I've gotten used to playing off of you by now. If you wanted to try something a little more, I don't know, intense, well, I wouldn't say no. I'm down for whatever. Doors are open for dalliances. Just thought I'd say that up front. Okay, sorry. Kind of weird to pause like that. Aw, you're so sweet. Oh, hello, dearie.
My, what a pleasant surprise. We always make time to see the Wedding Wednesday performance, but to think the catalyst for our own love story would walk out on stage. Are you often typecast as a matchmaker, darling?
Hey, you didn't tell me you were experienced. You've been holding out on me. Well, that just means my expectations are even higher than before. Let's get started. No pressure. pressure, but Celia and Florence look forward to this one every week. Let's do our best. Woo! Today's play is about a poor duchess, a bride-to-be, left at the altar, played by myself. What will happen to her? Will her true love show up to whisk her away? Or will she have to marry the nefarious Count Lionel instead? Boo! Boo! Count Lionel! Boo!
Dear, hush.
You can play whoever you want in this one. What happens is up to you. Lights up! Oh, Marquis de Marquisio, why have you abandoned me? This was supposed to be the happiest day of our lives. Suddenly, there's a knock at the church door. Bang! Someone enters. That's you. Darling, where have you been? We were supposed to be married hours ago. I feared you'd left me at the altar. Oh, I'm so happy. Come, De Marquisio. Let's get married right away.
You sweep Jeremy off her feet and kiss her as the lights go down.
Wow! Wasn't expecting the dip. No, it was hot. I mean, it was a really interesting ending to the play. Stop talking, Jeremy. Woo! Get it, girl?
Florence.
Sorry, Miss Mayor. I got excited.
Yes, though. Do get it, Jeremy.
You guys!
That play was unusually short. But I can see the two of you have other things on your mind. Come, Florence. Let's get out of their way.
Huh? Oh, right! Of course! You guys! You're making me so embarrassed! Things got a little intimate at the end there, didn't they? Oh, don't worry. I'm not mad. I actually really liked it. It was, kind of fun to lose myself in the character and commit. Did you like it? Oh, I was hoping you'd see that. I've never had this much fun with a scene partner before. Communication is so important to me, and we're so in sync, you know? Like, I feel like I can adjust myself any which way you want to lean. Well, if it's not too much trouble, could you maybe sit on my face a little?
Jeremy covers her face with her hands, blushing fiercely.
I can't believe I just said that. I'm a chair.
Hey! Any luck spreading the word about the Tipsy Tumbler? No one has come in yet, but
She sighs.
I haven't had any luck with the specialty cocktail either. other than my flyers. But maybe someone, maybe Phoenicia. Oh boy.
As you pull away from...
Listen, I'm not usually one to eavesdrop. I overheard you and Beverly talking about the Tumblr, and I think I might be able to help. I mean, if there was a cute new spot with placebook-worthy specialty drinks and good lighting, and even I didn't know about it, she definitely needs it. We gotta drag her advertising into the 21st century for starters. All it takes is a few well-framed shots of the decor, a lineup of the best stuff on the menu, and a little voiceover from a beloved internet personality. Instant FOMO. Line out the door. Guaranteed. Trust me. Ooh, that's perfect. What is it? Well, it's gotta be something that really pops. It's all about that curated aesthetic. Ooh, oh, okay. I've got this. I'll check back with her soon, though, because this is gonna blow up.